Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make cabbage pakoras. This is called kachri also. So I have taken cabbage. Now while I am mixing the ingredients with the cabbage, I will show you. So if you like my channel, please comment, subscribe, like, share. So come on, let us start the recipe. I hope you all are watching the video. So first of all, I have washed the cabbage and taken the cabbage in one bowl and it's cut finely. I have taken onions finely chopped up. You can see it. Chilies cut up, green chilies. I'm going to mix it in this. I have taken some jeera seeds, that is cumin, mix it in it. I have taken garlic pods cut up in this piece, that also I will add. Put some chili powder. Put some saffron. Put the salt to taste. And now I will mix the besan. I have taken besan. This cabbage has got water in it, so I will not put much water. With this only I will try to mix it. If I need water, I will take little bit afterwards. Mix the besan well with the cabbage and with the onions cut up. The cabbage pakora mixture is ready. Now I am going to fry them. Now I'll put the oil in the pan. Now I'll fry the pakoras. Pakoras are turned brown and it's cooked up also inside the cabbage. Now I'll take them out. Cabbage pakora is ready to eat with sauce, which is called kachri also. And this is monsoon time. It's very nice and tasty, delicious, yummy to eat. Thank you for watching my video.